something undeniably magnetic about the squared-off stance and commanding presence of the International 9800 Cabover that makes it more than just a truck. It's a rolling piece of trucking history, and for many, it's a proud purchase rooted in nostalgia, practicality, and timeless style. The decision to own an International 9800 isn't just about functionality, it's about standing apart from the sea of conventional, long-nose rigs and embracing the efficiency and character of a true American cabover classic. Whether it's the unique look, the tight turning radius, or the historical connection to a golden era of trucking, the reasons to buy one stack up quickly. First, the cabover design gives the 98 a maneuverability edge in tight docks and urban deliveries, something modern long hoods struggle with. Second, its raised cab position offers panoramic visibility, practical safety bonus. Third, the shorter wheelbase helps reduce overall rig length, making it ideal for hauling in length-restricted regions. Fourth, under the cab lies its heart. Typically, a Cummins N14 or Detroit Diesel Series 60 engine, delivering 400 to 500 horsepower and torque figures that could exceed 1,550 pounds. FT, paired with Eaton Fuller 1.0 or 13-speed transmissions, bulletproof combinations that still perform today. Fifth, the mechanical simplicity of the International 9800 makes it a mechanic's dream. Minimal electronics, easy access to the engine via the tilting cab, and no complex emission systems found on modern trucks. Sixth, parts availability remains strong due to its popularity in export markets and continued use in South America and Africa. Seventh, the 9800 has become a cult favorite, meaning restoration projects hold solid resale value and gain respect at shows and truck meets. Eighth, its sleeper cab options, while not luxurious, are functional and customizable for long hauls. Ninth, it carries historical significance. It was one of the last American cabovers produced before the market shifted toward conventional trucks, making it a symbol of an era where form met function at the front line of logistics. Lastly, buying the International 9800 is about future potential. With rising interest in vintage rigs and a new wave of electric and autonomous concepts likely favoring compact designs, the cabover layout might make a serious comeback as emissions-free drivetrains shrink engine compartments. Designs like the 9800 could be reborn as next-gen urban haul. Until then, owning one is a nod to the past and a bet on a future where smart trucking might once again look boxy, bold, and brilliantly functional. The International 9800 isn't just a decision fueled by heritage, utility, and a deep-rooted passion for the open road.